Today we call it a very special day because considering the nature of this, the situation we are having at Kiryandongo, we need support, we need help, we need assistance in so many ways. At the moment we are receiving refugees from Sudan, and on an average at Kiryandongo we are receiving approximately 250 to 300 people a day. And all these people, they come when they do not have anything. And most importantly, we do not have food. Well aware of the shortage of food currently by WFP, that is World Food Program, the support that has been provided worldwide to WFP has dwindled. And therefore this now calls for outsourcing support. And in a special way, today I want to thank the people of Kuwait who have showed generosity to our people of concern, the refugees from Sudan, by providing food items, assorted food items, in big quantity, in good tons. I want to thank you. I also want to thank the people of Saudi Arabia who have always supported our people here in Kiryandongo, also with the food and other non-food items. I consider today a very special day as a very, and I consider today a very special day because the people you are seeing behind me here, most of them are disabled people. We call them PSN, persons with special needs. They do not have anything. They cannot construct a house for themselves. They cannot provide food for themselves. They do not have any form of support to themselves. And therefore, today, at least the direct aid in Uganda have been able to put a smile in their faces. And therefore, we want to thank you on behalf of the government of Uganda, the relationship that the government of Uganda have with Kuwait and other governments, which actually is trading this kind of hospitality flowing in. I also want to appreciate it in a very special way. As the Office of the Prime Minister, on behalf of the Office of the Prime Minister, we highly appreciate the support that is given to us. And we still also hope that this kind of support may continue because the trend at which refugees are coming is still, the influx is continuous. We do not know when it will stop. We do not know when the war will end in Sudan. It's our prayer that at one point the war will end. Otherwise, I want to thank you all, and may God richly, richly bless you so much for this support. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I'm Nur Al-Huda Muhammad, the country director, Director of Society, Uganda office. We are here in Oyali settlement to help the Sudanese refugees. And why we are here? Because you know that since the crisis started in Sudan, the Sudanese brothers and sisters, they are coming in very big numbers to Uganda. And here we thank Uganda, the government and the people of Uganda for hosting them and giving them the services. Today we are delivering food relief for the refugees community in Oyali. It is consists of around 150 tons of food items, rice, kosho, and wheat flour, beans, sugar, and cooking oil, and powder milk. And it is not going to be the last. It is within a package of projects that suggested to the head office, pending approval by the top management. It's going to be implemented in the coming days, inshallah.
What is your...
I thank the government of Uganda very much because of hosting these refugees, also because of helping us to get to them and help them. They ease all the procedures, they help us to reach them out, and we give them this assistance. And here, the management of the camp, they are very cooperative and they are attending. So I thank them very much.
Okay, thank you.
My name is Taysir. I live in Kiryandongo camp in Kalastaji. I thank the government of Uganda for the appreciation and hosting us, the refugees after the war of Sudan. And I thank the people here for helping us and being among us and caring for everyone in the camp. So thank you and God bless you.
Okay, thank you. We start.
I'm Dr. Mahmoud Ibrahim Ahmed. I'm from Sudan. We are very strong to the government of Uganda and organization of Al-Awn Mubashir for this program, and we're very strong for them. And this time, the refugees of Sudan is very needy to this food. We thank you, we thank the government of Uganda, we thank every nation in Uganda for welcome us in this good country. Thank you very much.
Okay.
My name is Gutsi Siddiq Maki. I come from New Mazi to Biali here. And for first, I want to say thanks for government for Uganda to make all the African brothers, and you get that you feel that problem coming on the Sudan, and appreciate about everything to do it for us. And also I want to appreciate for that organization now for Kuwait to do that things for us. That means also the Arabic country, also the family and brothers. And also I want to say thanks for UNHCRC, because also you make that world brothers. And thank you for all the donors to give us that, and thank you for anything. Thanks for Uganda at least.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much and good evening. My name is Millie Nancy Lagu. I'm the Refugee Welfare Council 3 chairperson for the whole of settlement of Kiryandongo here in the settlement. I oversee all the refugee activities, inclusive of the support that comes to them, whether in aid or in cash. I oversee that, and I really appreciate the people who are supporting my people, bringing them food. This year has not been a very good year for us at the beginning, because during the first season we had drought everywhere, and whatever we planted, together with the new arrivals who came in December, January and February, dried out because of the drought.